Mob. What do you do, broski? It's been a while, man. And you know what? I done upgraded the situation. So let's get the new mic involved, bro. You know what I'm saying? Check this out. Sound check. How it sound, man? Should be a little bit better, but hey, look, check this out, dog. Boy, we got him in. You know what I do? Lights God returns. I'm back, man. Officially.
Yeah. Go ahead and tell that nigga we back. No, I'll do it. Hey. Wake your ass up. Hey, you can go ahead and pull off, gang. We back.
And I'm back to say. Coming out of sneaker retirement this year, bro. And I'm coming back starting it with the basics. You know what I'm saying? We gonna be doing the how to lace videos again, once again. For all the heat that dropped 2025. I'ma reach back and show y'all some lacing tutorials for sneakers that passed last year too, cause I mean, just cause I wasn't dropping the videos don't mean I wasn't copying. But today, it's all about the Legend Blues, G. It's all about these Legend Blues. I know I'm late with the video, but man, look. Later better than never. All we gonna do, you see, they coming. They coming with the DS loop, straight like that. Get the paper out first, that's what we're gonna do. Then, one loop empty, that top loop empty. The second one, that's what we hanging and banging at. And we're gonna loose lace these. Gotta hit them with the loose lace job. Pull them, make sure the tips are not touching the ground. As long as you know the tips ain't touching the ground, you good. Then, loosen them up all the way down. We're gonna loosen them up, let them breathe. Loose lacing your shoe is gonna extend the shelf life. Gonna keep them fresher, longer. And as messy as it look on foot, your shoes gonna be cleaner than everybody else, bro. Have you ever wondered why you and the next person got on the same shoes and they were getting all the compliments and nobody would compliment your shoe? Probably because you was running around with your shoe choked out. You know what I'm saying? You gotta let that thing breathe, give it some life. The laces gonna add the tension, make people look down like, dang, run around with the shoes untied. Why? You look down, you see the shoe, you gonna be fresh, you gonna be good to go. It also release all that tension in the high stress areas of the shoe. All the pivot points, it's gonna release that tension. So instead of instantly creasing, when you pivot your foot, you know what I'm saying? It can breathe a little bit and you won't get that hard crease. Cause that's what we don't want. We don't want them really hard creases in the shoe. So that's why we loose lace it. And we got rules. Rule number 1, man. Man, woman, cat, dog, female, frog, duck, pig, truck, bro, it really doesn't matter. The person who buy the shoe, that's who got to say and how they should be laced. You know what I'm saying? That take us straight into rule number 2. It ain't no wrong or right way to lacing your shoe. It really is. If you like what I'm doing, man, try it. You know what I'm saying? You got your own way to fly? Clear for takeoff. Take off on them, G. You know what I'm saying? Do your thing, player. I ain't hating. Yeah, but if you clicked on this video trying to get your swag right, then you in the right place, for sure. Rule number 3, you don't like me, my videos or what you see, get the fuck on, bitch. Yeah, man, and it's really that simple. That's all it is to it, man. Do your thing, express yourself. But these shoes ain't nowhere near cheap. So, hey, I ain't finna have nobody telling me what to do with my hard-earned money. I wanna You know what I'm saying? If I want a loose lace killer, that's how we're gonna go. Hey, if you want to choke your shoe out and crease it up, you do your thing, man. You know what I'm saying? After you give your card or that cash to the cashier, dope sold, money fold. It's a wrap, bro. It's a wrap after that. Do your own thing after that, but me personally, you know, hey. Yeah, this how I be doing mine, man. Good loose lace job, man. Get a little on foot action for you. Quick little brief little on foot, but yeah, I need me another pair of these. I need another pair. Gotta have a, before all these restocks stop, before prices gonna go up, which I know they are eventually, and I like mine loose to the point where the 2 and the 3 showing on top of the laces. I have that loose, super loose. You know what I'm saying? Just have it out any kind of way, for real, for real. As long as my laces not touching the ground, I really don't be caring what they be doing, bro. The lace tips, yeah, as long as they ain't touching the ground, we good. And I rock out just like that. I be getting a lot of heat. Tie your shoes, tie your shoes. No, I will not. But yeah, if your mom dudes bought your shoes, bro, and she say tie them up, you might want to go ahead, you know. But if you don't want to, I would advise you buy your correct size. People like, you can't run, you can't do. No, it's not gonna flip or flop off my foot. That junk on there, dog. I don't buy my shoes too little. I buy them the correct size. And it's more or less for casual use only. You know what I'm saying? I'm not finna go hoop. I'm not finna hoop with them loose laced. We not finna, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got nobody in the triple threat with them loose laced. Nah, bro, we just real casual, real cool. Just chillin'. That's how we do it, just chillin'. But yeah, I got heat lined up for y'all, bro. Both 17s in the suitcase gotta get laced up. White and Carolina Blues, man. I got both. I'm in my year 5s. Gotta get laced up. Black toe 14s from last year. Gotta get laced up. We got so much stuff from last year that I ain't even laced up. I didn't know how to lace this for. So, yeah. On top of the hip hop content that we've been doing, because I've been having fun, dropping the bangers on the hip hop news, trying to keep everybody up to date and in the loop. We coming back with the kicks though. It's time to make a comeback, G. So yeah, look out for how to lace videos. Well, I probably won't be lacing up a damn thing. More loose lacing tutorials. Better off. Or how I lace my videos. Yep, more of them. Sneaker rotations. Definitely doing those. Monthly recaps, cause it's getting to the point, too many coming in, so many pairs of shoes coming in, and I'm missing them. I ain't getting to get the reviews out. We're getting backed up on content. So, yep, monthly recaps on the pickups for each month. I think that's gonna be cool. Look forward to that. At the end of the month, we're gonna do a monthly recap on the sneaker pickups. And what else? Yeah, man, we back, man. Tell the sneaker guys we back, bro.
We are fucking back! We're back! Yeah. Classic! We are back! We are back!
I got some heat for y'all lined up, and shoes from this year too. We got 3 boxes over there. I gotta unbox and get 2, and that's gonna be our first monthly recap. It's gonna be a haul and a recap well, not even a recap, just gonna be a haul. But after that, we're gonna get it going and get it flowing. Or I might just start busting these boxes open, man. But we got plenty on foot to get through. So make sure y'all drop a like for your boy. And if you like kicks, you're in the right spot. You're in the perfect spot if you like kicks, man. Yep. From my fan to yours, peace. Make sure you subscribe and notified if you ain't already. I would definitely appreciate that. We on the grind, big dog.